What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the PGV, Prosperity Gem Ventures. Okay, so on my previous video, probably 2 days ago, Manny posted over here that all the refunds would be issued by the 2nd of February. Okay, so now we are currently working around the clock to get all BSC USDT refunds done. Looking at we have left, we should be able to get all BSC USD refunds done by February 4th, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so they are clearly doing refunds, because if we go over to the smart contract, we can see lots of refunds being issued, and also the smart contract has been pumped. Okay, so let's open the transactions and let's see when was the last time they made a transaction. Okay, not a transaction, a refund, I mean. So let's view all. We're going to view all the transactions, and then from there we should be able to see. So while people are waiting for the refunds, people are reinvesting, because when money issues the refund, people will get the initial capital plus the reinvestment. But bear in mind, guys, you can only reinvest once your rewards are greater than 50 bucks. Okay, so if your rewards are less than 50 bucks, you are not going to be able to reinvest. That guy made a payout. I don't know how, because payouts have been blocked for a long time. Okay, and seems like they stopped the refunds for today. As you can see, this guy tried to make a payout and he failed. So okay, so the last refund was made today, 1940. Okay, at 1940. Prior to that, we can see that refunds has been issued. So click on this one, you should be able to see how much the guy paid out. So 2.9k refunded. Okay, yeah, seems like they stopped the refunds for today, and they will recommence tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, they've been doing the refund, as you can see right here. Okay, so coming over here to the Discord group, we can see the daily APR currently. It's at 0.6 set on the contract. Okay, so everybody staked on BSC USDC are earning 0.6 at the current APR. Okay, so in my opinion, in regards to the daily APRs, okay, as you can see right here, they are dropping. Okay, they are dropping, and I believe the reason why the APR is dropping is because money wants to slow down people from taking money from this contract right here while it issues the refunds. Because, put it this way, if the APR is low, right, so it will take you longer to achieve 50 USDT, okay, because remember, it can only be dropped when you have 50 bucks available for collection. Okay, so having a lower APR will slow your daily rewards. So that means it will take you longer to achieve 50 USDC. Okay, so that means less money going out of the contract. So that means more money inside the contract and more money to pay the refunds, to issue the refunds. Okay, and hopefully once all the refunds are done, USDT, Polygon, and Tron are done, hopefully these daily figures, daily APRs will go back up, and hopefully the running average will be above 1%. Okay, if not, you know, like I said to you, if it goes below 0.5, I'm out. But that's just my opinion. Okay, let's go over to the announcements and let's see what's up. Okay, so be aware, we have never have or have nor will have a Telegram group for PGV. Okay, guys, please read the messages, guys, because this is right in front of your eyes. But yet again, a lot of you fall into the trap that, oh, PGV, just text me on Telegram. Wait a minute, there is no Telegram, guys. There is no Telegram. So don't fall into that trap. Admins will never contact you. Admins will never contact you. Okay? So that being said, let's listen to what Manny has to say right here on this video.
Okay, I want to give everybody a quick update wherever you're watching this at. This is pertaining to, and I'm going to be very, try to make this quick as possible, very direct in this video. This is pertaining directly to refunds, okay? So this is pertaining to PGV, Prosperity Gem Ventures refunds, all right? We are still working on refunds, okay? We've updated on the website, and we basically put here, you can see it says we are currently working around the clock to get all the BSC USDT refunds done. Looking at what we have left, we should be able to get all BSC USDT refunds done by February 4th, by 4 p.m. EST time. Okay. Listen, I'm getting a lot of messages from so many people, and I get it. Everybody wants a refund, but again, just as much as you want a refund, so do, all of the other users that requested a refund. All right. We've already dished out more than 50% of refunds for those that were users on the BSC USDT contract. Has already received it. There's tons of proof. Tons of people in our Discord group can easily tell you they've received a refund. So, there's no reason to think that you're not getting a refund. Everybody is getting a refund, but what you have to understand is that the BSC USDT contract had so many users on it. Okay. And all these refunds are getting processed manually. There's no auto button that we just click and say, boom, click this button and everybody gets instantaneously refunded. That's just not the reality of how this works. All right. So all the refunds are getting done manually. That means they have to get done one by one by one by one by one by one. All right. So everybody, please be patient. All right. We continue to give you guys updates. Our Discord group is still active. I've said this before, just to give another kind of warning. We do not have a Telegram group. We never have had a Telegram group. Okay. There's a lot of people that have went over into some fake Telegram group pretending to be PGV, and something happens and they get scammed. All right. You have to be very careful out here. We have never, ever, ever had a Telegram group ever. We've only ever had a Discord group. Okay. And if you click right here, it says right here, warning, we do not have a Telegram channel. Please beware of impersonating Telegram groups pretending to be PGV, okay? We do not have a Telegram channel, guys. We never have had a Telegram channel. We have only ever had Discord, all right? Now, with that being said, again, we believe we can get all of the BSC USDT refunds done by February 4th. We've already refunded over 50% of users on the contract. We're going to continue working around the clock. Yesterday, me personally, I wasn't feeling too good. I had to take a break. I was up for over 48 hours. Okay, over 2 days I was up straight, no sleep. All right, so my body was, I was literally broken down. So I had to get a good rest, and that's what I had to do. What a lot of people have to understand as well, a lot of you, is that, look, I'm not a robot, okay? I can't work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I have to rest, okay? Just the same way that you have to rest, I have to rest. I need rest, all right? So I can only do what I can do, all right? And that's what I can do. So I can tell you right now, the amount of work that we're doing and the amount of, refunds we're doing around the clock, guys, we're doing the best we can do. And with that being said, at the end of the day, considering that, listen, I would understand if it was, and this is just personal, personally me, I would understand if it was, you requested a refund and it's been a month, 30 days, and you haven't received it yet. Now, that's a different story. Okay. Then at that point, that's a reason now to start saying, hey, what's going on? What the heck? I haven't got my refund. It's been over 30 days. Guys, but we're not even close to that. Okay. We're not even close to that. All right. The first refund, which again, a lot of those, this was on January 19th. Okay. So it hasn't even been close to a month yet. There's no reason for anybody to freak out, anybody get scared or anything like that. All right. We're working around the clock. We're doing refunds. Again, the BSC USDT contract is taking a while for refunds because we had so many users on that contract. All right. Now, when it comes to after that, once we finish up the BSC USDT refunds fully, when we move on next, the next one will be Tron. So when we move on to the Tron contract, it's going to be a breeze. It's going to be a lot easier because the Tron contract had probably a quarter of the amount of users that the BSC USDT contract had, a quarter of the amount. So, I mean, we're going to be able to get through, we're still on schedule right here, like we say here. We'll have all those done as far as Tron, all the Tron refunds done by February 10th. We're still on track for that because the Tron contract is going to be a lot easier to get the refunds done with because it had a quarter of the amount of users that the BSC USDT contract had. Way smaller as far as the amount of users we had on that contract. Okay, Polygon after that, tomorrow, February 3rd, we're shutting down Polygon for claims and withdrawals, and then that'll be the other contract that everybody gets refunded from after we finish up the Tron refunds. Okay, and this Polygon is even smaller than Tron. We had even less users on the Polygon than we had on the Tron. So the Polygon and the Tron contract, guys, are going to be a breeze. They're going to be a lot faster. It's not going to take us as much time to get through the Tron and the Polygon refunds as it did with this here, which is the BSC USDT, because this is the contract where we had so many users on. Okay, so that's the update I have for you. Again, by February 4th, which is pretty much in 2 days, we should be able to get all of the remaining refunds done and be done with the BSC USDT contract. Believe me, I want to get it out the way. I'm ready to get it behind me. Believe me, I've been working around the clock, and I can't wait to get once all users on the BSC USDT contract are done as far as refunds. Believe me, I'll be really happy about it. All right. So we're doing everything we can, working around the clock. We're trying to get everything done. So please, again, just be patient. You're getting your refund. There's no reason to think that you're not. I mean, if you look at some of these trends, I mean, guys, we're refund. Okay. It's like we're doing the refunds. Okay. We're refunding wallets and everybody's getting refunded. All right. So again, that's where we're at. So by February 4th, we should be able to have all that done. From there, again, once we finish that, we move on to Tron. And then we start up the Tron refund process. And at that point, we should be able to have everybody refunded with Tron by February 10th. And then from there, of course, we move on to Polygons. Polygon's even smaller than Tron. So then we knock that out and then we're done. Okay. And the only contract we'll have left is the BSC USDC contract. This is the only contract, as we talked about before, that we're going to have. The other three, again, everybody's getting refunded from. All right. So that's the update I have for everybody. And I will see you all February 4th. Okay, by the end of the basically, just kind of put it here again, just to kind of recap real quick before I end this video. All right, by February 4th, 4 p.m. EST time is when we should be able to have all of them done. And that's when I have another update video coming out, letting you guys know, hey, we finished it up, we're good to go, all refunds done. There should be no reason. Okay, I've gotten rest, I'm good to go. So there should be no reason why we should not be able to get it done by that time. Okay. And again, if you look at from when we first, if you figure January 19th was the first day when we really started taking refunds. So January 19th, and then we start them up on the 20th. So you figure, 20th up to the, 31st, that's 11 days, 11, 12, we're at about 13 days right now, guys, 13 days. Okay. So if we finish it by the 4th, it literally took us about 2 weeks to get them done. That's good timing. Okay, that's a half. That's not even, again, it's not even a month. Okay, it took us 2 weeks to get it done. If we can get it done by the 4th, that's 2 weeks to get them all done. For the amount of users that we have, listen, that's amazing time. So that's the update I have for everybody. Again, I'll have another video coming out on February 4th. After we get finally finish up all the refunds for everybody on the BSC USDT contract, and then we'll go ahead and talk about Tron, and we will start the refund process for all of the users that were on the Tron contract, and just continue moving forward from there. All right, that's the update I have. I will have another updated video coming out on February 4th.
And there you have it, guys. So more than 50% of the refunds has been issued. Okay, so if you haven't received yours, soon you will receive yours, and then you can do whatever you want with your refund. Okay, guys. And yeah, my opinion, I don't think he has reasons to lie, because the smart contract doesn't lie. You can see lots of refunds has been issued, so I don't see a reason why you shouldn't receive your refund either, or me not receiving my refund. So all you got to do is be patient. sit still, and eventually the USDT will land in your wallet. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.